Welcome back to Living Local. Choosing the right insurance company can be a tough decision for whatever it is you need covered, but it doesn't have to be with the help of a QC Realty company. And Marc Engels joins us in studio in this segment sponsored by Mel Foster Co. He's the president of Mel Foster Insurance. Thanks for coming in.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so when it comes to finding an insurance agent, what choices do folks have?
Yeah, there's a few choices. Obviously we're in the age of internet, so you can always jump online and try to, go it alone, do it yourself.
Yeah.
And then there's a couple other options that are more common. Captive agents. So those are agents that represent one company and solely sell the products of that company. And then there's independent agents. They're not bound to one company. They represent several insurance companies.
All right. So what type of agency is Mel Foster Insurance?
Yeah, Mel Foster Insurance. We're a locally owned and operated full-service independent insurance agency. So what does that mean? So full service, we have licensed professionals that focus in personal lines, business insurance, employee benefits, and group 401k retirement planning and individual retirement planning. So, across those four sectors, we represent about 100 different insurance companies.
All right, so you guys cover a lot then. All right, so why do you recommend an independent agency like Mel Foster Insurance? Why is that so important?
Yeah, I think it comes down to three key things. We always think of it, service, choices, and convenience. As an independent agent, we're kind of value hunters. We're trying to find that best combination between price, coverage, and service, and that varies for every client. It's not the same for everybody. And so we take that and we do that across several insurance companies. And then convenience, we think of one-stop shop. You could call 4 captive agents and spend hours on the internet searching, or you can call one independent insurance agent, and then they can send it to several markets.
Yeah, that's why it's so important to call Mel Foster Insurance. So what are the key benefits of working with an independent Mel Foster agent?
Yeah, our big sell has always been the customized personal service, honestly. Our Mel Foster agents, they live, they're local licensed professionals. They live, work, and play in this town, just like our clients do. So it's a unique perspective. We think of major events that have happened recently in the past, like a large hailstorm through the community, the derecho, new fun word we all learned. And we go through those things with our clients, and so being a claim advocate, we don't adjust claims, we don't cut checks for claims. That's between the policyholder and an insurance company, but we certainly advocate and help that process along as we can.
All right, so when should folks start to review their insurance plans? Is there a time of year that seems a little more popular than others, or maybe even reach out to an agent?
Yeah, I mean, right now.
Right now.
Yeah. The whole basis of insurance is risk transfer, right? Protecting things of value, and so there's never a bad time to do that.
Okay.
This is my point.
Yeah.
There's no, to call a local independent insurance agency like Mel Foster, there's no fees associated to sit down and have a meet and greet, build a relationship, review coverages, review rates. So that's always an option anytime. Most people do it annually. They get the renewal or they get the invoice, right? And they're like, I'm thinking about my insurance now. The last thing I always tell people is major events. So any major improvement, I put a pool in, addition on the house, or lifestyle changes like started a home business, I got married, things like that. All change your insurance exposures. So it's a good time to think of your independent agent then as well.
For sure, for sure. And so do you find it more popular maybe during the summertime when we're seeing, hail damage maybe, or tornadoes or things like that?
Yes. We actually see an uptick, a lot of times in the spring, especially in the community, when, flood concerns, people coming off the holiday, a little more free time, starting to look forward. So maybe a little uptick there, but yeah, no, we're pretty busy throughout the year.
Okay, wonderful, Marc. Some good information. Give them a call. Again, this segment was sponsored by Mel Foster Co. Marc, thanks for coming in. For more information, check out melfosterinsurance.com, and we'll also have those details posted on our quadcities.com.